What's the meaning of countywide? Countywide. Countywide.
Countywide. Countywide. Countywide refers to something that pertains to or affects an entire county rather than just a particular area within it. It implies a scope that covers all the towns, cities, and rural areas in a given county. For example, countywide elections are those which are held throughout the entire county rather than just in specific districts. Similarly, a countywide policy would apply to all residents of the county. Essentially, countywide signifies a broad, comprehensive approach that is meant to extend across all parts of a particular county.